Welcome to this guide on creating a new email template for your campaigns. We'll walk you through the steps to efficiently set up and customize your email templates, ensuring your campaigns are impactful and well-targeted. To begin, navigate to the Campaigns tab and click on the Email tab to access the email template options for your marketing needs. Next, click on Add New Email Template in the Campaigns tab. This will allow you to start creating a new template tailored to your specific campaign goals and objectives. After selecting to add a new template, click on the Campaign Goal field. Here, you can enter the specific goals you aim to achieve with your email campaign, ensuring clarity and focus. If you would like to generate the content of the campaign automatically, use the Generate Using AI button after completing the campaign goal. Proceed by clicking the Email Subject field to input the subject line of your email. This is crucial as it sets the tone and grabs the attention of your recipients. Following the subject, click on the Email Text field to enter the main content of your email. Craft a message that resonates with your audience and aligns with your campaign goals. Once you've completed your email content, click Save to store your email template. This ensures your template is ready for use in your campaign, streamlining your marketing efforts.